What's up, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today I'm heading out to Whisper Wash, the store down here in St. Petersburg, Florida, where they manufacture all the surface cleaners. You guys know I won one of the surface cleaners from the giveaway from Texas Pressure Washing Tampa store grand opening. I think I got the silver one, custom made, custom powder coated, very nice surface cleaner. The owner of Whisper Wash invited me over to get a custom colored surface cleaner to match my company. So I'm gonna get a pink surface cleaner. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. I've never been down there before. I know they got some big stuff going on over there. So I make sure to get some footage for you guys so I can show you, what everything looks like. Y'all enjoy the video, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. What? That is way cool. No way.